In this lecture, we are going to see how to use the revolve, sweep and skin or loft options inside Design Modular. First, select a plane and draw some random sketch. Now switch to Modeling tab and select Revolve. First thing, you need to select the geometry which you want to revolve. So select the sketch from tree outline and apply. Now we need to select axis about which you want to revolve your geometry. First click here and then select this axis and apply. Now generate. So in this way you can use revolve tool in ANSYS Design Modular. Now select revolve from tree outline. We can also change angle of revolve from details view, make it 180 degree. What happens, only half of the revolving has occurred. Now what I want to do is, I want to reverse the direction of revolving. So for that purpose, I am going to direction option. Here I am going to select reversed. So if you want to reverse the direction of the revolve, then you can just select the reversal option from the direction option. Now if you want a thin surface of model, then you can just select yes and you can give the thickness. So give invert thickness as 1 mm. So once we added revolve details, just generate to apply. Now see what happens is, instead of a solid body being created, what happens? Because I have selected a thin surface option, a hollow body with the given thickness has been created. So this was all about revolve tool. Now we will learn about sweep tool in ANSYS Design Modular. First select XY plane, switch to sketching. First draw a circle on this plane. Once you draw this sketch, now select YZ plane and switch to sketching and draw a random arc from spline. Now go to modeling and select sweep tool. At first you need to select profile which you want to sweep. So select the circle from tree outline and press apply. Now we need to select path about which we want to sweep. So select the spline from tree outline and apply. Now generate. So here is our model. So in this way we can use sweep tool in ANSYS Design Modular. Now we are going to learn about skin or loft tool in ANSYS Design Modular. First select a ZX plane, go to sketching and draw a rectangle on this plane. Now we are going to create a new plane. In type select from plane, set ZX plane as base plane. We want our new plane parallel to ZX plane at some distance. So go to transform and I am going to do some translations here. Means in which direction you are going to make your plane. So here if you come to the global coordinate system, the x-axis in this direction, z-axis is in this direction and y-axis is in this direction. But when you come to the local coordinate system, here you see this blue color represent a z-axis. So if you want a plane that is going to be a parallel to this particular selected plane, then you need to offset the new plane in the z direction. But if you take the reference of a global coordinate system, this direction is y direction. But local coordinate system, this is z. So we need to select offset z and now give some offset value. Now I can see a preview clearly. And once I am satisfied with the preview, I can just right click on this option and say generate. Now go to sketching and draw a rectangle on this plane. Now switch to modeling and select skin or loft tool. Now we need to select the profile to which we want to loft. So first select the first sketch, press Ctrl key and select second sketch and apply. Now generate a loft. So this was a loft tool in ANSYS Design Modular.